Kasi alam mo yun, parati naman may magsasabi sa'yo na, tigil mo na yan, or asa ka pa, wala ka namang gamit, hindi ka naman marunong mag-DJ in the first place. Usually, kaibigan yan, o kaya minsan pa nga family member, di ba? Kaya minsan sobrang hirap na makakuha ng support para maging isang DJ kung nagsisimula ka pa lang. Kung na-experience mo na yan, may 2 pieces of advice ako para sa'yo. Una, kahit na ganun yung nangyayari, tuloyin mo pa rin. Let's say may DJ na lumapit sa'yo, sinabi, hindi ka naman talaga DJ, cellphone lang ginagamit mo. Who cares? If you're just starting out, using a cellphone is fine. Walang problema dun. Or even kung may gamit ka na, sabihin natin, meron kang DJ controller, pero sa bahay ka lang tumutugtog. May ibang DJ na sasabi sa'yo, hindi ka naman talagang DJ, hindi ka naman tumutugtog sa harapan ng mga tao. Again, ituloy mo lang. Yung mga comments na gano'n, syempre masakit siya, di ba? Pero kailangan mo maintindihan na parte yan ng isang journey sa pagiging isang DJ. Kasi hindi naman automatically magiging club headliner ka or ikaw yung tumutugtog sa Tomorrowland. Everyone has to start somewhere. Even the biggest DJs had to start in their bedrooms. So, wag ka magpa-pressure kapag meron kang comments na narinig na gano'n. Especially online, where there are a lot of anonymous people who keep sending these comments on your videos na wala naman silang picture, hindi naman sila tunay na tao. Minsan, mga bot lang yan or whatever. Now, my second piece of advice is to go deep into the art of DJing. Ibig sabihin, kung sa ngayon, cellphone lang ginagamit mo, nagmi-mix ka ng 2 kanta using software like Cross DJ or DJ Pro, maybe later on, you can look into buying a controller para pwede kang gumamit ng actual hands-on na controls. Maybe later on, kung controller DJ ka na, you can try using CDJs, di ba? O kaya kung matagal ka na nag-DJ, sabihin natin, CDJs gamit mo, tumutugtog ka sa mga club, why don't you study vinyl? Find out how they used to do it back in the day. It's not so much na one style of DJing is better or more professional than the others, pero kasi lahat ng klaseng DJing, meron tayong mapupulot from them na aral. For example, sa vinyl, matututo tayo mag-beat match ng 2 kanta using our ears. Walang visual dun whatsoever. Pagdating naman sa digital DJing, sabihin natin gumagamit tayong record box, Serato, Virtual DJ, or DJ Pro, or Traktor, matututo tayo how to organize and manage a huge library of songs and to make playlists depending on the styles of music that we play as well as the kinds of clubs or bar nights that we DJ at. Yung nangyayari kasi ngayon dahil sa social media, gusto natin kaagad yung mga quick fix, gusto natin yung mga hack, gusto natin yung mga bullet points. Kumbaga, we wanna get from A to B as quickly as possible. Pero ang isa-suggest ko sa'yo, especially if you wanna take up DJing as like your full-time hobby, sabihin na natin, or even your profession, dig deep. Go deep into the art of DJing. Know what it's about, knew who came before you, and see what you can learn from them.